You're probably wondering, what exactly is this business? Let me break it down for you clearly. This online business is built on three powerful pillars designed to give you the best chance of success. Pillar number one, elite training that will start from the very beginning. Even if you have zero experience, you will get step-by-step training that's designed to walk you through everything you need to know. From setting up your business to understanding how digital marketing works to running your system effectively. You will learn it all in a simple, structured way. No guesswork, no overwhelm. Just clear guidance that builds your confidence as you go. And the best part, the trainings are all recorded videos that you can watch them on your own pace and in the comfort of your home. Pillar number two, high-ticket products and partnerships. This is where the income potential becomes very exciting. Instead of selling low-cost products and making tiny commissions, we partner with companies that pay high-ticket commissions. That means a single sale could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And here's the best part. You don't have to do the selling yourself. We have professional coaches and closers who handle the conversations and the sales process for you. So while we focus on learning, growing, and building your business, you still benefit from every sale that comes through. Pillar number three, mentorship and community. This isn't something you're doing alone. You will have direct access to experienced mentors who are there to guide you whenever you need support. On top of that, you will become part of a global community of over 250,000 people who have already joined this movement. Imagine connecting with people all over the world who are on the same path, sharing wins, overcoming challenges together, and cheering each other on. That kind of support is priceless to me. Now, you might be wondering, what's my first step? It's simple. Reach out and I'll send you the link to watch our free information session. This session explains in detail how these three pillars work and how you can start applying them right away. From there, you will have the chance to book a coaching call with one of our coaches. That's where you will get personalized guidance and a roadmap to launch your business as quickly as possible. So, if you've ever wanted more freedom, more income, and a business that works for you instead of the other way around, this is your opportunity. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Take that first step today and let's get you started.